The Free Market Foundation urges sweeping opposition across all spheres of civil society and politics to obstruct the reckless and unconstitutional Expropriation Act. Property rights form the indispensable foundation of a free society and cannot be treated as merely a debatable ingredient to prosperity and constitutional democracy. The FMF rejects in the strongest possible terms Cyril Ramaphosa's reckless abuse of his presidential pen to sign the obviously unconstitutional and illiberal Expropriation Act into law. This act is not merely a question of economic policy preference, but an attack on the foundations of South Africa's negotiated settlement and the pillars of freedom for all. All reasonable avenues, whether legal, political, or social, must be aggressively pursued to either formally repeal or practically render the act ineffectual. To this end, the FMF is consulting with its legal team through the Rule of Law Project to marshal or participate in a legal challenge against the existential threats posed by the Act. Expropriation for nil compensation is a euphemistic abuse of language. It goes against the plain text meaning of sections 25.2 and 25.3 of the Constitution, mandating compensation. The Expropriation Act is an underhanded way of attempting to achieve the same ends as the failed 2021 constitutional amendment. A constitutional amendment is necessary to bring about EWC, manifested in the government's own actions. This has been absent. By signing the bill into law, President Ramaphosa has unambiguously signaled not only his ignorance of constitutional propriety, but his rejection of the basic principles of constitutionalism. If the other partners in the GNU ever had a so-called red line, this must be it.